Hey, what's up guys? I purchased Tesla cabin air filter for my 2003 Tesla Model Y. So this is the filter I got from Amazon. One direction is HEPA filter, another side is honeycomb shaped active carbon. So there are two pieces because one's for the bottom, one's for the top. And also this filter comes with tools. So when you purchase it, it will give you one of the two to remove the carpet or set panel. Another one is to remove one of the screws. So let me show you guys how to do it. First thing you want to do is move your chair all the way in the back, the passenger side. That will give you enough room to get access to here. I think that's the maximum I can go. Next thing you want to do is to remove this side panel right here. Alright, let me try with this too. Just find any gaps you can get and just pop it off. You can see there are push pins. Probably in two hands. So first I'm trying to remove this side panel without disconnecting ambient light, and also there's a speaker right here, but it looks like it's impossible because this side panel is kind of stuck in behind this panel, so I have to remove this panel first and then to remove the side panel. Next thing I'm gonna do is to remove those push pins you see right here. That's 1, 2, 3. The fourth one is in the back right here. It's much handy with the tools they gave to you. So you just push it down and pull it. Next thing, you want to pop this panel off. Let's take some time to take this instrument panel off. Next thing you have to do is to disconnect the speaker and also the ambient light. But in my understanding, you don't really have to remove this because I do have access to the side panel now, so I don't have to remove it. But I guess just in case you broke the wire or if anything, then they suggest you to remove it. But this is up to you. So next thing I'm gonna do is to remove the side panel completely. I'll show you guys after. I'm able to remove the side panel. So on the 2023 model year car that made in Texas, there's supposed to be a screw down there, but it's not a screw anymore. So instead of screw, it's just a latch. You just push it up, and that's how you get this off. So I even got my tool here. You don't even have to take the screw off if anything. So right now they make it pretty easy to remove this cover for the air filter. So now I'm gonna pull out the old one and I'll replace the new one inside. Let me try to get the top one out. Still looks pretty clean. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty clean to me. I don't see any dust, or some people even have leaves in there. Just the location is really hard to reach. Alright, so I was able to take out the old one. So this is from OEM, and when I put in the new one, the honeycomb side shape is supposed to be facing the center console. So in this case, it will go in like this. Alright, I was able to get the bottom one in, now just the top one. Like I said, it's kind of awkward location. Okay. Just make sure this is reachable next time when I'm trying to replace it. So after I put back in the new filter, next thing you want to close this cabin air filter cover. So make sure you put the top one first, and then you will push in the bottom. if you guys see right here, that's where you will clip back in the pin first. Okay, so now the top one is clipped in. Bottom one you just push. Okay, after you put everything back, now I just need to put in the instrumental panel and also the side panel back. So you guys already know how to do it. Just make sure pushing all the pins, nothing loose. I would close this side panel first. And the next thing I will put back on this instrumental panel. Alright, the instrumental panel is back, and I turn on the air conditioner. I can feel the air, everything feels good. This is pretty much the end of the video, guys. So for 2023 Tesla Model Y, it's much easier to remove this cabin air filter cover down there. Instead of screw, just a clip. So you don't even need to use a screwdriver. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.